Good morning, friends. So, in the yesterday's lecture, we started design above the clutch. So that's why today also I am continuing design above the clutch. So please note down. So if because in the last lectures I discussed theory related with the clutch. So that's why today I am taking some of the problems. So after that we can discuss during the design above the cone clutch or design above the centrifugal clutch theory related with the clutch, because your examinations that may be based on the multiple choice questions. So that's why we can discuss various types of the multiple choice questions. So please note down today's first problem that is based on the multi-plate clutch. So single plate clutch means in single plate clutch here number of the pairs is only one pair, and in multi-plate clutch, so here's number of the plates 3, but these are the 2 pairs. If number of plates 5, so these are the so this is one pair, this is one, this is second, this is third, and this is fourth. So this is first pair, this is second, this is third, and this is fourth. So here's friction material in both way. And this is likewise. So this is friction material. So this material, outside material, steel materials, and this material is the bronze material. So these are 3 steel plate and 2 bronze plate. So because this is steel and this is bronze, because this is popular material for clutch. But here's means for multi-plate clutch, always remembers the number of the plates or number of pair should be even. So where limitations of the space, there we can use multi-plate clutch, or where the space is available, so there you can use single plate clutch. So that's why for trucks, means for automobiles, for truck and in buses, cars, we can use single plate clutch, and due to the limitations of the space in the motorcycle bikes, motorcycles or scooties, we can use multi-plate clutch also. So this is multi-plate clutch. Due to limitations of space. If space is available, so single plate clutch. So actually this is a single plate means this is single pair, and this is single plate means this is 2 plate clutch, and this is prepared. So always remember this. So that's why in trucks etc single plate clutch, because their space is available in the engine, and in the scooters, in the bikes, we can use multi-plate clutch. So that's why design above the single plate clutch and design above the multi-plate clutch. So in the yesterday's we see one problems that is single plate clutch. Now today we will see problems related with the multi-plate clutch, and after that in the tomorrow's class we will solve some of the problems, and we can discuss single plate and multi-plate clutch. So please note down today's first problem. A multiple disc clutch a multiple disc clutch has radial width of the friction material as material as 1/5 of the maximum radius the coefficient of friction is friction is 0.25. Find the total number of disc required to transmit 60 kilowatt. So more power, 60 kilowatt at 300 RPM, 3000 RPM. The maximum diameter of the clutch is the clutch is 250 mm and the axial force is limited to 600 Newton. Also find the mean unit pressure on each contact surface. So this is problem. Solution. So first we'll extract data. So what is given, or otherwise, so because this is small problem, given data. So here's relations given in between radial width. Radial width means so this distance given. Radial width 1/5. So this is R equal to, because this is R and this is capital R and this is D. So capital, this is R equal to D by 2 equal to, right? and this is capital D, maximum radius, 1/5 of the maximum radius. So this is not R because this is small r. So this is width equal to r minus small r equal to 1/5, right? R minus 1/5 the maximum radius equal to, so I think this is correct. So this is 5r minus 5r equal to r. Now this is 4r equal to 5r, 1.25 r, right? Now r equal to, you can write this is d by 2, 1.25 into a radius equal to, now this is small d by 2, small d by 2. So this 2 will get cancelled and d equal to, this is 250 divided by 1.25. Divided by 4. 1.25. 250 divided by 200. So this is equal to 200 mm. So that's why outer diameter equal to 250 mm and inner diameter equal to, you can say this is 200 mm. Next. The coefficient of the friction is 0.25. So in this case, axial force, this is given, is limited to. So that's why we can calculate first P equal to 2 pi nt divided by 60 into 1000. So this torque you will get in terms of 10 to the power 6. Then this is you will get in terms of Newton mm. 60 into 10 to the power 6 divided by 2 pi RPM equal to RPM 3000. Sixty into 10 to the power 6 divided by 2 divided, 60 so So this is T equal to so this power also we missing this term P equal to multiplied by 60 190,985 Newton mm. So this is total torque capacity. Now total torque, because torque equal to what is the equation? Mu into Fa into dm divided by 2. This is basic formula. Torque equal to, because this is force, frictional force multiplied by radius. So that's why mu into Fa now dm. So assume uniform, because here's pressure theory. So two theories, out of that suppose I assume this is uniform pressure theory. So dm equal to, what is the relations? 2/3 outer diameter cube, inner diameter cube divided by outer diameter square, inner diameter square. Now, so this is for single torque, and if this torque is total torque, and this is total torque, single torque or single pairs multiplied by, this is number of the pairs n dash, where n dash is number of pair. So here in this case number of pair equal to 1. So this is single plate clutch, so that's why multiplied by n dash. So now this is T total 190,198. T single equal to, you can write this formula, Fa into dm into n dash, and half into coefficient of the friction. This is given 0.25. This is 600. dm equal to 2/3 outer diameter cube, 250 cube, 200 cube divided by 250 square minus 200 square into n dash. Now n dash is the number of pair, 190,198 multiplied by 2. This 2 will get cancelled, and this is, you can write, this is 3 multiplied by 250 square minus 200 square divided by this 0.25, 600, and this is 250 cube minus 300 cube, n dash equal to. So that's why first we will calculate this. 250 raised to cube minus 200 raised to cube, bracket close, equal to multiplied by 3 into 190,198 divided by 0.25 divided by 600. So this is equal to L1.22. So L1.22 means number of pair equal to This is 20, sorry, 12. And n is the number of plates. Now this is equal to n dash plus 1 because one additional plate is required. So that's why this is 12 plus 1 equal to 13. So this is right. So diameter of the clutch 250 mm and the X is find the mean unit pressures on each contact surface. So what is to be calculated? Find the total number above the disc. So this is total number above the disc equal to total number of disc equal to, this is your answer, first answer. Second answer, maximum pressure, the mean unit pressure. So this is the mean unit pressure. Mean unit pressure means average pressure equal to FA divided by pi by 4 outer diameter square minus inner diameter square. So this is 4 into 600 divided by pi into 250 square minus 200 square. 4 into 600 multiplied by pi divided by 250 square 200 square, bracket close. So this is very low pressure. .033 Newton per mm squares pressure is required. So this is first problem. Now we'll see. The next problem is more complicated as compared to first problem. A multiple disc clutch steel as bronze is to steel and bronze is to, because steel is the outside plate and inside plate is the bronze. So please note down. Second problem is a multiple disc clutch steel and bronze. A multiple disc clutch steel and bronze is to transmit 4 kilowatt power at 750 RPM. The inner radius of contact is 40 mm. The inner radius of contact is 40 mm and outer radius of contact is 70 mm. The clutch operates in oil with expected coefficient of friction. The clutch operated in oil because oil is used in the clutch plate in oil with an expected coefficient of friction is 0.1. So here oil is used to increase, because here during the running conditions due to frictions heat may be generated and that heat is to be dissipated. So that's why here oil is used to increase the heat dissipations rate. So try to understand this. So this is important. Oil is used to increase the heat dissipations rate. Otherwise you may be confused. So what is the use of the oil? The average allowable pressure is allowable pressure is 350 kilonewton per meter squares. How many total disc of steel and bronze required? So find how many total disc of steel and bronze are required. Second bit, what is the average pressure third bit, what axial force is required? And what is the actual maximum pressure, and what is the actual maximum pressure. So when the clutch is new, so that time is we can use uniform pressure theory, otherwise we can use uniform wear theory. So if in the problems it is not mentioned, so use any theory Means that time is use uniform wear theory, because uniform theory is more popular as compared to uniform pressure theory. So uniform pressure theory we can use when the clutch is new and for calculations about the how much is the maximum torque transmitting capacity of the clutch. So that purpose we can use uniform pressure theory. Otherwise we can use uniform wear theory only. So first we'll calculate total power. So by using solution P equal to 2 pi nt divided by 60 into 10 to the power 6 T total equal to 60 into 10 to the power 6 multiplied by 4, 2 pi into RPM, 750. So this is equal to 15929 Newton mm. Now torque equation equal to so here pressure is given. So average pressure equal to, so we can use this formula, outer diameter square minus inner diameter square. So that's why by using these relations we can calculate the EFA, axial force required to engage. So this is 350 kilonewton per mm squares. So 350, because pressure equal to 350 kilonewton meter squares. So this is 0.350, because this is Newton per mm square. So here's multiplied by, because kilo means 350 into 1000 divided by, here's, so this is 1000 and this is 1000 multiplied by 1000, because meter to mm squares. So pressure equal to 0.350 Newton per mm square, 0.350 FA pi by 4, outer diameter square 70 given, so that is 140 square minus I think 40 square, means this is 80 square. So FA equal to 0.350 multiplied by 140 square minus 80 square multiplied by pi divided by 4. This is equal to FA equal to 3628 Newton. Right. So after that, this is for single equal to, what is formula? frictional force multiplied by dm divided by 2. Frictional force multiplied by radius. So that's why single equal to mu EFA. Now this is outer diameter plus inner diameter divided by 2. So this is single equal to coefficient of the friction 0.1, 3628 multiplied by outer diameter. Outer diameter is how much? 140 plus 80 divided by 2. Multiplied by 110 into 0.1. So this is equal to so yes, one mistake, because this is dm, only this is dm and this half multiplied by here. So that's why again here multiplied by half. So try to understand this mean diameters means dm equal to this is, and this half divided by 2, 19956 Newton mm. So this is for single plate clutch. Now number of pairs equal to this is total divided by single. So 1 divided by answers multiplied by total equal to 50,929 divided by so this is equal to 2.55. So that's why number of pairs should be even. So that's why this is 4. So n dash equal to 4 and n equal to n dash plus 1. This is 5. Now this is first bit, how many total number of the disc. So total number of the disc requires is the 5, and this is total number of pairs, and this is total number of plates. Total number of, this is plates and this is pair. Second bit, what is the average pressure? So for average pressure, equal to EFA. But this is average pressure means we require what is so this third bit we require first. Actual axial force equal to, because here total number of the pairs is 4, so that's why. This is not actual axial force or actual torque transmitting. Actual torque transmitted by each pair. So first we should calculate this. After that we can calculate that. So because here total number of the pairs is 4. So torque for single plate. So this is the actual torque. Actual torque, actual by single plate or single pair equal to total 50,929 divided by 4. 50. So this much is the 12,000. This is torque. Now torque equal to, what is formula? Half into F into or mu into FA into dm. So this is 0.1. So this is actual. dm means outer diameter. 140 plus 80 divided by 2. So that's why this is FA equal to axial force required equal to, this is actual third bit, equal to 12732 multiplied by 4 divided by 0.1, and this is 220. All right, anything is else? Okay, multiplied by 4 divided by 0.1 and divided by 220. So this is equal to 2315 Newton. So this is 2315 Newton. Now put here, this is 2315 Newton. Multiplied by 4 divided by 140 square, and this is 80 square. This is equal to multiplied by 4 . making mistake. 140 square minus 80 square equal to 1 divided by answers 2315 multiplied by 4. So this is equal to 0.7015 Newton per mm square. This is second answer. Now fourth answers. What is fourth? What is the actual maximum pressure? Actual maximum pressure means P max equal to, what is formula? Axial force divided by pi into di outer diameter minus inner diameter. Right. So this FA equal to again 2315 divided by pi divided by inner diameters 80 minus difference 140 minus 80 means 60. So this is equal to so I did any mistake. So here's one mistake, that is because I am getting this answer is less, so divided by pi, this terms is missing, 0.7015 divided by 5, 0.223. So this answer is expected 223 megapascal. Now that is pi by 2 and P max equal to, so here's divided by 2, divided by 2. So that's why FA equal to how much? 2315 multiplied by 2 divided by pi divided by inner diameters 80 divided by 60. So this maximum pressure equal to 0.307 Newton per mm squares. So this is expected answers. So that's why today I stop here and we will continue some of the problems related with the single plate clutch and multi plate clutch in the next class, and we can start the cone plate clutch or cone clutch above the next article above this clutch. So that's why today I stop here. Thank you.